These are the semi-stitched lehengas and the manchi bridal wear collections. We can try it for haldi, mehendi, sangeet, and even for the weddings. Such a beautiful collections we have today. So before I begin, I'll be explaining the mannequins here, which are behind me. The beautiful mannequins, which has dressed up with beautiful lehenga. This is purple color. It's a dark grey point color shade ostundi with a net lehenga. Sorry, this is net dupatta, and this is the crop top with mirror work and embroidery work all over. Very beautiful. And this is one more color. This is pink color flary lehenga. Such a beautiful one, which will be suitable for haldi or mehendi. And for this we have got the yellow color dupatta with embroidery patterned crop top. Very beautiful, isn't it? And for orders you need to take the screenshot and message on 7396382067. Very beautiful collections today. I hope you will love all the lehengas. This is chandeli type of material. This is light pink with yellow color combination with full of golden color booties. And this is the blouse combination. We have got the front neck design and back neck design as well, which is with embroidery work. We can either stitch it as blouse or a crop top. And this is the dupatta. This is how the dupatta comes, like a Banarasi style with the laced border. Lovely combination. For orders you need to message on 7396382067. This is one more lovely color. This is purple color combination with full of designs, beautiful motifs, and we have got the blouse with a laced border, and the combination is really elegant. Color combination is pretty. We can try it for the sangeet or mehendi. And this is the dupatta with the laced border, and the dupatta is having the brocade designs. Very lovely combination. I hope you loved it. For the price details you need to message on, or you can comment down your favorite colors such that our team will assist you. And this is one more bright color, the green color, dual color combination. Here you can see the light green, and the bottom you can see the dark green. The shade is beautiful with embroidery work, and the pattern is also beautiful. And this is the blouse with front and back neck design. We can stitch it as we like, either like a blouse or like a crop top. And for this we have got a dupatta, which is a net dupatta with laced border, pink with green color combination. Such a beautiful one. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. We'll move on to the next one. This is one more lovely color. So we have some color options in this pattern, which is a chandeli type of material with full of intricate designs. And this is the blouse pattern with a laced border. We can stitch it for the hands. And the dupatta. So this is the contrast color dupatta, which is Rani pink color with a laced border, which is navy blue. It's a Banarasi style of dupatta. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. We'll move on to the next color. This is one of the bright color which will be suitable for all the wedding occasions. This is dark orange with ruffles at the bottom, which is peach color, and the golden color brocade designs. And this is the blouse, which is having tiny motifs. We can either stitch it as a crop top or a blouse. It's our wish. And for this we have got a contrast dupatta, light pink in color. It's a Banarasi style, and we have got the thread finish at the ends of the dupatta. So it's lovely. And for the price details you need to message on or comment down. This is one more beautiful color, dual color combination and dual color pattern, half pattern. And this is sky blue, and this is dark navy blue with brocade design. Simple and elegant and different combination. And this is the blouse, dark navy blue color. We can stitch it like a crop top. It looks more better than the blouse. And this is the dupatta. We have got the sea blue color dupatta with a laced border with embroidery pattern. The color is really lovely, and we have got only one piece in that. So order as soon as possible. We'll move on to the next one. This is such a beautiful one. It's a mehendi outfit. You can see the colors as well, which is pastel. And for this we have got a dupatta which is red in color. Such a lightweight material. And for this we have got a brocade pattern of blouse. We can either stitch it like a blouse or like a crop top. For price details you can message or comment down. This is one more lovely color which will be suitable for haldi. The yellow color with check pattern and a laced border at the end which is pink in color. And for this we have got a dupatta with a chinkari thread work and a laced border, looking very lovely, and the color combination is pretty. And this is a blouse with tiny motifs. Such a lovely color combination. It suits for almost everyone. You can pick that. This is dark green. So this will be also suitable for the wedding occasions. As you all know that wedding season is near, you can pick these lehengas. This is yellow color net dupatta and green color bottom with thread work. And this is the blouse with brocade designs and the florals running. You can even see the work, stone work on it. Such a beautiful one. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. This is a kind of gaudy lehenga. This is lavender color, little bit heavy because it has the stone works and the laced border. Even the dupatta is the contrast color, which is Rani pink color with Banarasi style and the laced border. The color combination is really elegant and heavy. This is the blouse pattern with a laced border and stone work on it. This will be suitable for almost all the age groups. You can just try this on. This is one more lovely color, every girl's favorite color, pink. And the pink lehenga is having the beautiful brocade designs running all over, and the border is having a golden color. And this is the dupatta with the laced border which is pink in color and yellow color with full of brocade designs. And for this we have got a contrast blouse which is pink in color. Such a beautiful combination. We can pair it up like blouse or crop top. For price details you can message or you can just comment down. Our team will reply you back. This is one more beautiful color. This is grey color with full of golden color work. It's a brocade design. And this is the dupatta which is cream color. It's a Banarasi style, even with the beautiful motifs all around. And the blouse is attached, so we have to stitch it accordingly. The blouse shade is also beautiful. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. So this is one more color, light cream color with bigger patterns, leaflet patterns. We have some color options in this. This is Rani pink color with the Banarasi style of dupatta. Very lovely combination with tiny motifs running all over. And this is the blouse. Blouse with tiny booties. So beautiful color. And this is one of the traditional kind of lehenga which will be suitable for the mehendi or the sangeet. The color is very awesome. It looks like a ikat's pattern. And the dupatta is like a Banarasi style, and the border is laced border which is red in color, and the combination is so elegant. And here is the blouse with embroidery designs. Very beautiful combination. We can stitch it like a crop top. And the next one, this is one of the light color combination. So this suits for all the people who love light pastel colors, very subtle combination. And the dupatta is the highlight because this has got two dual colors, light orange and light pink shade. Very beautiful color. And this is the blouse. So blouse with florals and some brocade design, looking very elegant in the light color combination. So we'll move on to the next one. This is one of the dark color. This is dark maroon shade with beautiful designs running all over, and the border is the brocade designs and the laced border. And here is the dupatta. It's a peach color dupatta which is like a Banarasi style, looking very awesome. And this is the blouse. So blouse is having the florals and the brocade pattern. Beautiful lehenga. You can choose this for your wedding outfit. This is one more color, cream color, and you can see the patterns is also very beautiful. and the diamond patterns. And for this we have got a dupatta which is yellow color, and the border is Banarasi border. Such a lovely combination. And for this we have got a blouse. So this is a blouse combination, same as the lehenga color. Very beautiful patterns on the Manki dupatta is a highlight for almost all the lehengas, which is a perfect contrast. And this is one more color. We have got some color options in this type of lehenga. It's like a chandeli design and with full of work at the bottom. And here is the dupatta, which is red color. It's like a georgette material with a laced border, looking very gorgeous. And this is the blouse with beautiful booties. You can try this on for the wedding occasions like mehendi or sangeet. Very beautiful colors we have today. This is a party kind of lehenga. We can try this for the reception or any grand occasions. See, this is like very heavy and full of stone work. And for this we have got the same dupatta, soft knit dupatta with patchwork and a laced border. And even the blouse is gorgeous with full of stone work front and back, looking very lovely. So you can try this on. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team, or you can even visit our store, which is Vethathri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. This is black color with beautiful designs, bigger designs and the laced border. For this, we have got a contrast dupatta, which is grey color. Such a lovely contrast, you can see. It's a Banarasi style of dupatta, very soft. And here's the blouse with tiny motifs running all around. Very lovely color. So for orders, you need to message on our WhatsApp number. Again, this is the pink color with a bandhani design. Bandhani patterns are always the prettiest, and we have got a laced border for this. And this is the dupatta, the same color dupatta with a laced border with brocade designs running all over. And this is the blouse. So pink color blouse with beautiful motifs. We can either stitch it like a blouse or a crop top. And yes, that's all for today from the collection of beautiful lehengas. These are semi-stitched lehengas. We can stitch it like a blouse or like a crop top. And for orders, you need to message on 7396382067. And you can come down and visit our store, which is Vethathri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. And we are open till 9 PM every day. So again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, good night.